Want to make rupee 500 per day, just using free AI tools? No coding, no design skills, and no paid ads needed. In this video, I'll show you 3 AI tools, and 3 income streams you can start today, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's get straight into it. First up, ChatGPT. Most people use it to answer random questions. But smart hustlers are using it to make real money with prompt services. Go to Fiverr or PromptBase, and you'll see people selling ChatGPT prompts for 300 rupees to 2000 rupees per prompt. You can create SEO prompts, content writing prompts, resume builder prompts, business idea generator. Simply craft a prompt using ChatGPT, test it, and then sell it as a product. Use Canva to package it as a PDF. Boom, a digital product you can sell forever. No inventory, no tech skills, just creativity. Tool number 2, OpusClip. It takes any long video, a podcast, webinar, interview, and automatically turns it into short, viral clips with subtitles, jump cuts, emojis, and hooks. How do you earn? 1. Offer shorts, reels creation service to YouTubers, coaches, or podcasters. 2. Or start your own Faceless shorts channel and post AI-edited videos daily. Clients are already paying 1000 rupees to 5000 rupees per video clip on Fiverr and Upwork. And OpusClip does 90% of the editing for you. It's free to start, and perfect for non-editors. Tool number 3, Canva plus ChatGPT. Here's the game plan. Use ChatGPT to write 30 captions for a niche: fitness, real estate, fashion. Use Canva to design 30 matching Instagram posts in one go. Sell this as a 30-day content package to small businesses. Charge 500 rupees to 1500 rupees per set, and you can deliver the whole thing in 1 hour. Find clients on LinkedIn DMs, Facebook groups, Fiverr, local businesses near you. This is one of the fastest freelancing services to start with zero investment. These tools are 100% free to use, and the earning methods are proven. If you want more AI side hustle tutorials like this, hit like, subscribe, and comment "side hustle" below. I'll send you a free Notion dashboard with all tools, prompts, and templates to get started today. See you in the next video.